Hi, and welcome to this instructional video on how to prepare, assemble, install and get the most out of your Overlander bag. In the description below, we marked the different chapters with timestamps so you can easily navigate back and forth between the different sections. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's take a look at what's included in the box. For this demonstration, we'll use the 48-liter version. Carefully open the box and take out its contents. Remove the plastic bag and undo the inner board that's wrapped around the package. And make sure to keep this item as it's an important part of the Overlander. Inside the package, we'll find the following: 1 high-pylon bag, 1 Beaver Tail, 1 removable map pocket, 1 set of backpack straps, 4 short attachment straps, 2 long attachment straps, 4 M.O.L.E straps, and 1 inner board. After unboxing the Overlander, the first step is to install the inner board. This is crucial as it provides the Overlander with its semi-rigid structure, ensuring it won't collapse when empty. However, before installation, we need to shape the inner board properly. To remove the packing bands, gently flex the inner board in the opposite direction until it lays flat on the table. Next, fold it about 2/3 to match the curved shape of the Overlander. Now, place the inner board inside the Overlander. Inside the Overlander, you'll find 2 large Velcro flaps along the long sides. Start by securing one side as tightly as possible, then move to the other side to finish the installation. When finished, the inside should look like this. Inside the roll top, we've added a transparent plastic seal to ensure a proper closure, even if the roll top isn't folded perfectly. This feature keeps your belongings dry and dust-free at all times. To close the Overlander correctly, start by straightening the roll top and folding it until the top lays flat. To make the process easier, the bag is equipped with an air release valve to remove excess air as you close it. Once the bag is sealed, we recommend closing the valve to maintain its waterproof integrity. Next, secure the roll top by fastening the side buckles on each side, followed by the center strap. For a tidy finish, roll up excess webbing and secure it with the Velcro lock. The Overlander includes a reversible Beaver Tail for extra utility. To attach it, simply connect the 4 pre-installed buckles. Once it's secured, roll up any excess webbing and fasten it using the Velcro locks. The Overlander comes with a set of backpack straps for added convenience when carrying. To install, thread the webbing through the buckle as shown. Ensure the strap with the Lone Rider logo is mounted on the right shoulder. attach the carabiners to the aluminum hooks, adjust the strap length to your preference, and roll up any excess webbing for a clean finish. The Overlander features 4 M.O.L.E straps for customizing anchor points. These allow you to attach additional straps or accessories. To install, remove the buckle from the M.O.L.E strap. Thread the webbing through one of the M.O.L.E bases located around the bag, then reinstall the buckle. Finally, reverse thread the webbing to prevent the strap from coming loose during use. On the long side of the Overlander, you'll find multiple attachment points for different purposes. The 2 lower buckles are specifically designed to secure the Overlander to your motorcycle, while the 2 upper buckles are used for attaching the Beaver Tail. Optional M.O.L.E straps can be attached to any of the M.O.L.E bases, providing additional anchor points for the longer straps that are included. The center Velcro base is perfect for adding a personal touch with separately sold flags or patches. On the top short side, there's a waterproof pocket designed for smaller essentials you need quick access to, such as additional straps or a Steelcore security strap, which will be shown later in this video. Now, let's take a closer look at the Beaver Tail, a multi-purpose component that adds significant versatility. It's ideal for securing extra luggage or accessory bags and is also designed to hold a separately sold hydration bladder. On the side, there is a pocket with a watertight zipper for storing items like travel documents. The Beaver Tail also includes a removable map pocket that attaches with Velcro. This feature is perfect for keeping your paper maps secure and accessible. As mentioned earlier, the Beaver Tail is reversible, allowing you to choose between having the M.O.L.E panel or the map pocket outwards, depending on your needs. To attach the Overlander to your motorcycle, start by installing the 4 multi-buckle straps as shown here. Place the Overlander on your bike, then connect the buckles. Tighten the strap securely and roll up any excess webbing to ensure a clean and organized installation. For added security against theft, you can use a Steelcore strap to lock your Overlander. Please note that this product is not included or sold by us, so you will need to purchase it separately from Steelcore directly or from one of their dealers. The exact method for installing a Steelcore strap may vary depending on your motorcycle model and luggage rack configuration. To further secure the Overlander and prevent it from being forced sideways during an attempted theft, thread the Steelcore strap through the metal lock plate as shown here. Next, loop the strap through the locking latch, pull it tight and lock the system. Complete the setup by reinstalling the Beaver Tail. Your Overlander is now secure. When removing the Overlander from your bike, you can leave the attachment straps in place by connecting them together. This keeps the straps tidy and prevents them from flapping around when riding without the Overlander. It also allows for quick and easy reattachment when the Overlander is needed again. To install the separately sold hydration bladder, start by opening the top zipper of the Beaver Tail. Insert the bladder with the connection outlet side first. Clip the internal hook onto the hydration bladder's locking clamp to keep it in place during use. Next, thread the hose through the center slot, ensuring it doesn't get twisted. Finally, close the zipper and you're set to go. When using the Overlander, there's no need for extra straps to secure a tent, dry bag or duffel. Simply use the included longer straps, anchoring the looped ends to your luggage rack or subframe. For securing a Lone Rider tent in front of your Overlander, thread the longer straps through the tent bag's loops to prevent sideways movement if the straps loosen. Then, connect the buckles to your pre-installed M.O.L.E straps and tighten as needed. A handy feature of the Overlander is the Beaver Tail, which lets you secure extra luggage underneath it for quick and easy handling. With multiple M.O.L.E panels on the Overlander, you can create a fully customized luggage setup. Here, we've attached 2 bottle holders, 2 micro bags and 1 mini bag, adding an extra 12 liters of capacity. Even though we recommend hand washing with a sponge and warm water, high pressure washing is okay as long as you don't get too close to the Overlander with the nozzle. Use regular cleaning soap and avoid strong degreasers. To extend the lifespan of your Overlander, store it in a cool and dry location in an open position to let air circulate and to reduce moisture buildup. Avoid storing it in direct sunlight. And with this, our tutorial on how to prepare, install and maintain your Overlander bag is complete. By following these simple steps and useful tips, you will be able to use your Overlander to its full potential for years to come. If you still have questions or need to order spare parts, feel free to contact us using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and ride safe!